Hello everybody, my name is Eric Miller. I'm International Sales Manager for Backoffice Products and Instruments, and today I want to show you the Speedwave Expert microwave digestion system. The microwave digestion system is especially for sample preparation of analytics of heavy metals. The Speedwave Expert you will find in segments like environmental, in food, in pharma, in other technologies like geology, and of course also in the cannabis sector. Speedwave Expert has a very intuitive 7-inch touch display, can also be controlled via mobile phone or tablet. The vessel concept, what Backoffice has, is very unique on the market. You have your vessel, your sealing, a rupture disc, and you close the vessel only by hand. It's a tool-free design, and after hand-tight closing you just put the vessel inside the chamber and fix it at the fume collection system. In case you do not need all positions, you can close the single positions here with a blind plug. Very simple. And in emergency cases, the fume would go from the vessel through the fume collection system, through the gas hose in a neutralization unit. The Speedwave Expert provides a full reaction control with 3 different optical sensors. So the first sensor will measure the pressure by the pressure cap, and 2 other sensors measure the sample temperature and as well the vessel temperature. An outstanding vessel lifetime allows us to include the vessel into the warranty of the device, which is 2 years. You also can get a warranty extension up to 5 years. Please have a look on our website for further configurations and accessories. Thank you.